Are your kids falling off their beds at night? Today I want to show you how I made this toddler rail. It's a very simple, easy, quick fix that only takes just a few tools and a little bit of time. Sure enough, you'll have your kids sleeping soundly and safe. You're going to need a drill. This bit comes with the Craig Jig R3, 1 1/4 inch screws, Craig screws, Craig clamp. You can pick this up for about $40 at Lowe's or Home Depot, $20 at Lowe's or Home Depot. You're going to need wood screws, number 8, 3/4 inch. We have 2 L brackets. The size is 2.5 inch by 1.5. A pencil, flat corner brackets, wood glue, and we're using primed 8-foot boards, 2 primed 8-foot boards. You're going to need 2 48 inch, 2 24 inch, and 2 20 inch. These 2 20 inch are going to be the sideboards here. They're going to be our verticals. And then the 24 inch are the ones that are going to go underneath the bed. And these 48 inch are our horizontal pieces. Our board is measuring at 3/4 inch. We're going to take our Craig jig and move this 3/4 inch on both sides to this arrow. As a handy aid, we put a centering mark here with the pencil. Our board here is 3.5 inches, so we're going to find the center. It's 1 3/4 inches and make a little mark with our pencil. Next, we're going to install the jig on the clamp. Just slip it in like that. Now you're going to clamp it onto the wood. Find your center line and clamp it down. Make sure those feet come over the edge. With this Allen wrench, you're going to set your drill stop to 3/4 inch. You're going to stop when the drill stop hits the clamp. The Craig kit comes with a square driver that fits the screws. We are using an impact driver, however you can use a drill. Line it up with the angle of the hole. The distance between the 2 horizontal slats we've measured 4 inches. You're going to take your 24 inch board and your L bracket, and on the inside of your board, to measure, you're going to put your L bracket down, and that'll help you figure out where you're going to place your 24 inch board. This is the part that goes under the mattress. So center it. You're going to take your clamp, it's not a requirement, but it's a good idea if you pre-drill your holes with a small drill bit. That way the wood won't split. I've already pre-drilled the holes, so it should go in there nice and smooth. You're going to take your 24 inch board, the part that goes underneath the mattress, and you're going to clamp it to your L bracket. We've already pre-drilled these holes, and I've laid it on its side so it's a nice flat, flush surface. here it is completed. The next thing we would probably do is round off these edges a little bit and give it another coat of paint, and we would all be finished.